Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new and this may be your first time coming here, you may not yet be subscribed. Welcome, my name is Tyler with an O, and for those of you who are already subscribed, already my people, and you're just joining me for yet another video, then welcome on back. Go ahead and let's get into the makeup. So you guys commented and requested a look that was more simple, something wearable, you know, involving less shadows, less palette, less technique, you know, something that was just real easy to do. Today's video is going to be very easy. This is a very simple makeup tutorial. I think I only use like 3 eyeshadows, you know, nude lip, you know how I do. But anyways, yeah, without any further ado, if you would like to see how I got this look, if you would like to see how we do an easy eyeshadow tutorial, then just keep on watching. So today's look is going to be fast and efficient and wearable, something anybody can do. I'm going to try, I'm gonna try, girl. I'm going to try to keep it to at most 3 eyeshadows. I'm gonna go ahead and go on with my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I know I have been living out of this James Charles palette, but I am gonna revisit my old fave, Miss Jaclyn Hill. I'm gonna take this chocolate shade here. It looks like hot chocolate. It looks like milk chocolate. Or like if you use Swiss Miss, like the hot chocolate powder, that's what it looks like. But anyways, I'm going to take that shade on my NYX 17 Elvis tried and true blending brush, okay? And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just put that up in our transitional area. I'm gonna focus a little bit more of the color on the outer corner of the crease, but also I'm blending it inside as well, and then up kind of towards the brow bone. Ooh, this is so soft and pretty. Like honestly, I would do like a cream color like on the lid with a liner and just call it a day. Honestly, that would make so many of y'all happy if I were to just stop right there and do that, but guess what I'm not gonna do? That. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with the green color in the palette. It's like a forest green, but it is shiny or whatever. And I'm just gonna take my finger, because we're keeping it simple, and I'm just gonna apply that all over our lid. Okay, boom, and that took like what, all of 3 seconds. Like, girl, I'm telling you, y'all said you wanted something quick and easy. I am gonna go in with the dark green matte shade next to it in the palette on a blending brush, and I'm just gonna tap into that lightly just to go like into the crease and give that a little bit of blend. And I'm basically focusing the color just kind of like on the outer corner part. And then I'm, you know, bringing it around, but I'm not bringing it all the way to the front. I'm keeping the front light. And I'm gonna take that same dark green color and just do the bottom lash line. You already know how I do there. And then for my finishing touch, I am, you know, just gonna spice things up with this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Diamond Ball Out. Y'all already know this is that super metallic silver shade. I am going to go ahead and put that on the inner corner just because I live for drama. Okay, so this is our easy, that probably took like less than 15 minutes to do. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off with liner lash mascara, then we're going to finish the rest of the face. These lashes, this is my first time wearing these. These are the Eyeful Lashes 100% Human Hair number 36 in the shade black. These are the ones, if you guys watched the vlog about the $1.75 lashes, yeah, these were $1.75, and it's my first time wearing them. Pretty comfortable. I like the lash band. It is a black lash band, but it's not super thick, so I ain't mad at it. I'm gonna go in with the Becca Opal. She's broke into pieces, like literally broken into pieces, but I'm gonna go in with this highlighter. Whoa, that is a lot. Let's go ahead and tap some of that off. And y'all, what I've been forgetting to do lately is highlight my brow bone. So I'm just gonna take like the tip of that brush. I'm just gonna dab some on up there. I don't know why I've been forgetting that. That used to be like my favorite part, because it just like, ooh, it just lifts that brow, yes. Okay, well I won't say I've been forgetting. I've just been using a matte highlighter on the brow, but I've been forgetting to go in with something reflective after. Ooh, so yes, it just lifts the brow. Go ahead and do my little right up in there. And then some on the lip. Y'all, every look I do, I want to put on this purple lipstick, but it's Everything doesn't call for purple, even though that's like one of my favorites. So you know what? If it's not purple, then what am I gonna put on? Nude. For my lip liner, I'm gonna go in with one of my faves. I know you guys see this one a lot. It is the Morphe Love Bite lip liner, and it's just a perfect tone of nude. I feel like it complements the eye look really nicely, so we're gonna line our lips with that. For the lipstick, I'm gonna use another one of my faves. This is Nude Embrace by Maybelline. It is a matte lipstick. Ooh, this is just the perfect little nude. Ooh, y'all, look, y'all can't tell me nothing about this lip. And then just for funsies, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. Just because this is like very light, I'm just gonna dab it in the middle. Just to kind of give the lips a little bit of dimension so they're not just like so one-tone nude. Y'all, I am so tempted to throw a gloss on over this. You don't even understand. I love lip gloss. But no, we will stick with the matte lip. As we say here on this channel, the look is served. Just something real quick, nice and simple. Still makes a statement, still gives you a little bit of color, but it's real easy to do real quick out the door, and it is still wearable. I'm hungry, I'm about to go eat, so give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know what else you would like to see here on this channel, and more importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of this Tyler with an O goodness, and I will catch you all on my next video. Peace.